Hello everyone, I just recently got the Nikon D7500 along with like a little accessory pack with it. I just wanted to do like a quick unboxing. I'll try to do a little video at the end showing how it looks and everything, but yeah, let's just get into it. So here's like a little bag that came with it. I probably won't really use this bag at all for the most part because I bought myself a little nice camera backpack for all of this. Here's a one of these little UV filters here. What else do we have? This is the SD card holder right here. Little SD card holder for the SD cards for the camera. Lens and screen cleaning kit. This is a very tiny little tabletop tripod. Here's a T-mount for the 500 camera lens that I bought for it. It's like a telescopic lens. Kit filter, filter kit. 55mm high definition optical digital multi-core coated glass. And oh, here's a little remote. Here's telephoto lens and a wide angle lens right here. Little add-ons. Oh, here's a wrist grip strap for the camera. Here is the 70 to 300mm lens right here. Here is the camera itself, the D7500 camera, the box for it. Came with a little 32GB SD card here. I think this is a screen protector right here. Card reader adapter. Oh, we got the flash, a little extra camera flash right here you can put on top. And here is the 500 multi-coated telephoto lens, the 500 telephoto lens. That's what the T-mount was for. Here is a little tripod, a 60-inch tripod. Pretty cheap, honestly, a pretty cheap tripod, but it'll do for taking pictures or whatever. I have a way better, nicer tripod that I use for videoing instead that I have. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go get straight into the actual camera box right here, the actual D7500. I'm not really gonna go into any in-depth details about the accessories that came with it. That was mostly just me showing you what came with what came with the camera. Now let's get into this thing. All right, so we got a nice user manual book here. Really big book, actually. Here's a little strap, neck strap came with it. Here's a wall mount charger for the battery. And we have some cables here, came with it. And here's the battery. Here's some kind of little tiny clip. Here is the camera itself. All right, so here is the Nikon D7500 camera right here. It's a beautiful, really nice looking camera, honestly. And I would hope it would be, especially for the price that it was. This is an intermediate, so this camera is not a beginner camera, and it also is not a professional camera. It's more of an intermediate camera, but still, it's very nice. Let's see, we got the ports on the side. We got the mic import, little HDMI import. See, here's the little mic import there. We have HDMI import right here, and I think a charging port there. This also supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, by the way. And down here, we have a headphone, a jack right here. You can plug in your headset in and listen to the audio through that. And then we have another little port right here that I'm not sure about, honestly. Do some quick filming on this little thing. I'm not going to turn it on right now, just kind of showing the body around right now. So yeah, let's get on to the video with it.